showcasing the Melaninators. Melaninators is the same as the Dominators. Let's go. No.
Hi, buti na lang andito na siya. Ba't nandito to? Ready na ba kayo? Ready na kami ni Shane.
This is the Melaminator 1. This is the Melaminator 1. Okay. So wait. It's actually like the same as the Dominator 1. This is the Melaminator 1. Right. Wait. Young? Okay. We need to deploy. We need to deploy the Melaninators. Right. I'm gonna be showing you the threshold. Okay, let's go. This is the Melaminator 1. Oh. This is the Melaminator 1. Showcasing it. Oh my god. Oh! Look at it. Oh, what the hell? Oh no, it's stuck. Bro, that's only the... Oh no. It's coming again. Oh, it's so lag. It's so lag. So lag. Oh no. Oh shit. At least it survived. Okay, that's the Melaminator 1. This is the Melaminator 2. Melaminator 2. Melaminator 2. Alright. We can make it like automatic. This one like the spikes, this lights, and the middle one is this. I'm gonna show you the threshold on the screen so you can see it. Look. Yo, oh, what? Oh no. What the hell? Oh shit. Oh. And the final last, the Melaminator 3. This needs repairing because it's so disgusting. Look at that, bro. We need to repair that. Oh. This is the airbags. This is the airbags. And the spikes and the grabber. We need to repair this because it's so disgusting. Look at that, bro. I can't look at it. So that's... Oh, we need the final one. The Melaminator Jeep. This one. I forgot. Oh, it's so lag. I forgot this one. The Melaminator Jeep. Okay. I'm gonna show you that result on the screen. Oh, wow. Deploying. Oh. Oh. Shit, it holds like an airport. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, it's coming on. Oh. that's the Melonminator Jeep. Let's go some like to showcase like the Melonminators. In the next video, I'm gonna be showcasing the VIBs, the TMPIBs. So this is the end of the video. Bye.